Hello, hello, it's time for math. Yay! And it's not no big lesson today, so Peppy can help us practice, okay? Yay! Okay, everybody ready? Let's all stand up, please. And all right, here we go. Everybody standing up, please. All right, let's count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39. Woo! 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39. Woo! One more time. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39. Woo! Okay, Peppy, I want to see how smart you are. Let's see if you can do that backwards. For real? Yeah. Come on. See if you can do it. Okay. Concentrate, okay? Okay. Give me a minute. Think. Okay. Here we go. 39, 36, 33, 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. I did it. You did. Good job. Whoa. Hey, that was cool. Okay, why don't you see if you can help the kids do it? Okay, everybody, you really gotta concentrate, okay? Here we go. We'll start with the 30s first, okay? 39, 36, 33, 30. Okay, 20s now. 27, 24, 21. 18, 15, 12. 9, 6, 3. Who did it? Did anyone else get it this time? Well, we'll keep working on it, okay? Okay. Let's see. What do we need to review today? Let's see. How about how many centimeters in a meter? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? How about Steffi? How many centimeters in a meter? 100. How many quarts in a gallon? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Andres, quarts in a gallon. 4. How many cups in a gallon? Cups in a gallon. Hazard. 16. How many cups in a pint? Samuel. 2. How many inches in a yard? Alessandro. 36. How many minutes in half an hour? Alessandra. 30. Okay, good job. See you later. Adios. Thanks, Peppy. Okay, on our lesson today, we have page 187, 188, okay? Okay, so let's start on this page with the shells, okay? In Spanish, we call that conchas. These are cool shells. These are called fan shells, okay? And so the animal Has two, one on the top and one on the bottom. It's like oysters or clams or things like that. But it's called a fan shell, shaped like a fan. Where I grew up, we had these. I have not seen these here in Honduras. You know what? You don't find very many shells here in Roatan. Mexico, when I went to Mexico, I used to find all kinds of really, really cool shells. But I don't find many here on the playa. But anyway, these are fan shells. Aren't they cool? But if this is a graph. And what does it say right here? Each shell means 5 shells. So on Monday, how many shells? Let's see. Who found the shells? It doesn't say who found the shells, but somebody went collecting shells. And on Monday, this person found how many? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, okay? So you can finish that and do it down there, okay? Easy. Down here, we did this before. You don't need any help on that. Easy. Down here, write the number before and after by 2s. Be careful by 2s. Easy, you can do that. Okay, now, this is a squid. I have seen some squids here. Not many, but a few times when I was out snorkeling. So when you guys get a little bit bigger, I don't know how many of you can swim. You need to learn to swim. So you can get some goggles and a snorkel and go out on the reef because there's such, over in West Bay, really, really cool stuff to see. On this side, not so much. But on the other side, over West Bay, oh my goodness, there's, out there on the reef, you can see all sorts of really cool stuff. So what do you need to do? When you go to the playa, you have to say to some big person, please teach me how to swim. Everybody needs to learn how to swim because it's not safe. If you fall in the water, it's very dangerous, okay? We live on an island. Everybody must learn how to swim, okay? One time we were out over at West Bay, and we had all the people from the church were out there swimming, and Miss Lily, one of Miss Lily's boys was out there, and the waves were a little bit big, and he's not used to having waves out on the sea, swimming in waves, and he got into trouble, had big time trouble, and I had to go out and save him. I've had to do that to some other people too. They got scared. They got scared out there. And if somebody hadn't been there to help them, they would have sunk to the bottom and died, okay? It is not safe to go out in deeper water if you're not a good swimmer. So what do you need to do? Everybody needs to learn to swim. You are not too little. Okay? But once you do learn how to swim, out there on that reef, it is so cool, especially if you go way, 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 way out there where the water's really deep. You can see some really cool stuff. You can see God's underworld. Oh, it's so cool. All kinds of beautiful fish. So, learn to swim. You can see beautiful fish and shells and coral and all sorts of cool stuff. Okay, but anyway, back to our thing. So that's what we have here. Here we have a squid. Squids have 10 legs, right? So we want to count how many legs, but we don't have to go 1, 2, 3. We're going to count them by 10s. So if we count them by 10s, how many legs do they have? Put the number here. It says color them. If you want to color them, you can color them. If you don't want to color them, you don't have to. Here's our clocks. Remember the times, okay? Be careful. Be careful. Let's see. Okay, let's see. How about Joshua? Joshua, what time is it? It's 11 o'clock. Now what time is it, Joshua? Oops. What time is it, Joshua? 11:15. Now what time is it, Joshua? 11:30. Now what time is it, Joshua? 11:45. Good. Okay. Now, right, it's 11:45. It did not get to 12. In how many more minutes will it be 12 o'clock? 5, 10, in 15 more minutes, it will be 12 o'clock, but it is not 12 o'clock yet. Saudi, what time is it, please? It is 2 o'clock, okay? Now what time is it, Saudi? It is 2:15. Now what time is it, Saudi? It is 2:30. Now what time is it, Saudi? It is 2:45. It looks like it's on the 3, but it's not. In how many more minutes will it be 3 o'clock? How many more minutes until it is 3 o'clock? 5, 10, 15. It is 15 minutes before 3 o'clock. Okay. So you fill in your clocks right there, okay? Down here we have money. We have 2 quarters, okay? If we have 2 quarters, how much money do you have? Let's count quarters. 25, 50, 75 $1. 25, 50, $75, right? Okay, so if we have 2 of them, it is 50, right? We have 50. Underneath that, we have 3 dimes. Remember, dimes are 10. So how much is that? How much is that? Andres, how much is that? 3 tens is 30, okay? So when you write it in there, make sure you put them nice and neat underneath each other, right? And then you can add them up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 3 is 8. And in your paper, they already have the 80 cents there for you, okay? Over here, we have 2 5s. How much is 2 5s? 2 5s is 5 and 5 is 10. Then we have some ones. How many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Now, so we have 4, 1, 10. Okay, do you see how we have that lined up? You have to put that right under there, right? Be very, very careful how you line it up, right? Right, be careful. We have 10 and we have 4, right? But if you're not careful, if you just do it like this, well, if you do it like this, 10 and 4, it's not going to work. Because that would be 0 plus nothing is 0, and 1 and 4 is 5. No, it's not 50, it should be 14. So be very careful that you line everything up just right. You line everything up from this side here, okay? Okay. Let's see. And that's your homework for today. Okay? Easy, easy. Okay. Well, practice. Don't forget, make sure you practice your math, your cards, right? See you later. Have a good weekend.